was it a rush to use deadly force? A jury is going to hear closing statements tomorrow in the criminal case that's against former Mesquite police officer Derick Wiley. Today, he again defended his decision to shoot Lindo Jones. Our Steve Pickett joining us live from Dallas's Crowley Courthouse with what unfolded today in court.
Doug, as you know, at the heart of all of this, will a jury find another Dallas area police officer guilty of a criminal act by firing and shooting at someone who was unarmed? The central theme around this case, this question: did this officer need to shoot?
Going back to his weapon is perfectly normal for any officer.
Deadly force specialists were called to the stand today to provide jurors with their view of Derick Wiley's act. The moment he decided to shoot a man trying to get away from him. Wiley's accused of aggravated assault and faces up to life in prison for shooting Lindo Jones. The ex-police officer, fired by Mesquite PD after the shooting, said he was in fear for his life. His actions recorded on his body camera. Prosecutors today challenged Wiley's claim of shooting in defense.
And you testified yesterday that Lindo Jones resisted.
Yes, I did.
Okay. But his resisting didn't involve the use of deadly force by him, correct?
On the ground, no.
He never used deadly force?
No, he did not, no.
Jones had no weapon and was running from the former officer when Wiley fired.
If he reasonably believed a weapon was being produced based on the totality of the circumstances, it would be reasonable.
Defense use of force witness Rudy Flores today said Wiley's decision to shoot was reasonable, but attorneys with the DA's office pointed Wiley back to that video and his own actions.
If you would have held him at gunpoint like this until your backup arrived, we wouldn't be here today, right?
Correct.
Okay. And we know that because after you shot him, you held him at gunpoint.
Correct.
And they focused on that today, that there was an opportunity, if you will, to shoot again, and that officer did not fire his weapon again. Closing arguments for this jury begin tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Reporting live, Steve Pickett, CBS 11 News.